In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut, copy and paste in Microsoft Word in the easiest way possible. Whether you're moving text, duplicating an image, or reorganizing a document, these shortcuts will save you a lot of time and make editing much faster. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and find the text or image you want to move or duplicate. If you want to cut something, click and drag to highlight the text or select the image you want to move. Then press Ctrl X on your keyboard. That will cut the item, which means it removes it from its original spot and places it on your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Now move your cursor to the location where you want that content to go. Click in the new spot and press Ctrl V. Instantly, Word pastes the item into place. If you want to copy instead of cut, the process is almost the same. Select the text or image, then press Ctrl C. This keeps the original in place and makes a duplicate copy ready to paste. Then click where you want the copied content and press Ctrl V. That's how you can repeat text, duplicate a section, or reuse content without deleting the original. You can also use your mouse if you prefer. Right-click on the selected text or image, and you'll see options for cut, copy, and paste in the menu. Choose cut if you want to move it, or copy if you want to keep the original and make a duplicate. Then right-click again where you want to place it and choose paste. This is helpful if you're still getting comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, or if you're using a laptop without easy access to shortcut keys. One important tip is to make sure the right content is selected before you cut or copy. If you only highlight part of a sentence, only that part will move or duplicate. If you're working with images, make sure the image is fully selected before using the shortcut. And if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always press Ctrl Z to undo the last action and try again. Once you get used to these shortcuts, editing in Microsoft Word becomes much faster and smoother. Cutting is for moving content, copying is for duplicating content, and pasting is how you place it exactly where you want it. Mastering these three simple actions can make a huge difference in how quickly you work on documents, reports, essays, and professional files. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.